Okay, it's time to connect the device and have a look at reading, writing, and executing on resources. But before we do that, we're going to actually change the device type and how we define what smart objects it's implementing. And we're going to remove the location smart object here. So we just hit the trash can like that and click save. We're going to use that for just demonstrating the discovery mechanisms for the Lightweight M2M client. And so we go back to the location hierarchy and select the location in our hierarchy where we want to register our device. So we click register device button. We enter a name. I'm going to call this one my demo Lightweight M2M client. We need the endpoint or the device identifier, which is the unique ID that we got before and entered here in the code. We're gonna enter the exact same value for device identifier. We select the demo Lightweight M2M client as the device type. We simply use the default template, and we select the gateway that we want to use. And the gateway here is the management server for Lightweight M2M. Then we select the bootstrap server that we want to use. In this case, the bootstrap server that I configured before with this placeholder that I added is the Ericsson Test 1. And the last thing that we need to do is enter the pre-shared key information. So we're just going to enter a very simple pre-shared key, and we're going to reuse the endpoint as the identity for this device. Now, when I click register, what happens is that AppIoT will configure the bootstrap server and it will configure the management server as well. So looking here at the activity log, we can see that we successfully configured the bootstrap server and also added the device to the security store in the gateway. So everything is set up for the device to connect. So let's do that. We go to the code. We have the demo Lightweight M2M client. In order to get this application to run, we right click the demo Lightweight M2M client.java and do run as Java application. And if we expand the console here, we can see that we get some feedback from the registration process, that we have a bootstrap success and we have a registration success. So everything is up and running now. And now we can see that we're getting observation relations back from the Lightweight M2M management server, which is based on the requests from AppIoT. So if we go back to AppIoT and have a look at what's happening in here and do a refresh on this page, we can see that among the smart objects, the location object is added, and we can see that it didn't do it now. Do refresh again. We see location. Come on, there. We have got some values in here. We have the latitude and longitude values, and we should also get some values for the temperature, and we can see that we have received values for the temperature here. And we can see that this is also updating as we are looking at it because we are observing these values. The same thing for the latitude and longitude.